my COMEDK 2025 aspirants, so we are just left with 21 days for our COMEDK examination, and here's a detailed strategy that you need to follow in the next 21 days so that you can get a top rank. Okay, so you can see the first we'll be discussing here a 21-day strategy, chapter wise weightage, study timetable, best resources, and how we are going to help you. So first of all, if I come to a 21-day strategy, so from today, whichever day you are watching the video, till 20, I can give you a time, that is till 2nd of May. Okay, till 2nd of May you have to complete your both PU1 and PU2 syllabus. This is the deadline. Then from 2nd of May till 9th of May, okay, or I can say up to 8th of May. So 3rd to 8th you have to do proper revision plus mock test. Okay, so this is what basically you have two guidelines, 2nd of May and after 3rd to 8th May you have to do revision and mock test. Now how to focus on the PU2 syllabus, so you'll be getting almost 35 to I can say 30 to 35 questions here. So just select the high weightage topics, revise the previous year questions and prepare short notes and last 10 years of pre-quiz and then do a small test. So this cycle you can revise again and again and complete the chapters. Okay, and for PU1 what we can do, for PU1 also we will be doing a high weightage topic, only revision of the concepts, previous year questions, and so for COMEDK PU1 chapters only the previous year questions are enough, so just focus on that last 10 years of previous year questions. Next we have revisions, mock test if I want to do, so you have write one FLT test, okay, and then you have maintain the exam conditions. Okay, exam conditions you can maintain, right, almost in online mode you have to give, and the proper 180 minutes time you have to take, analyze the test and note the wrong questions in your error notebook and revise the weak areas. Okay, and next we have test series. So this is a given dates I have given 1, 3, 5, 6, 7 and 8. These are the tests on which you can write down the test so that you can have a preparation, you can have an understanding about your level of preparation. Okay, and next here is the chapter wise weightage. You can see for chemistry it is, these are the weightage. You can see the high weightage topics I have highlighted, some basic concepts of chemistry, chemical bonding, equilibrium, organic chemistry and hydrocarbons, and PU2 all the chapters of chemistry are equally important. You can take a screenshot here. Next, coming to physics, we have system of particles, gravitation and mechanical properties of solids and fluids. From PU1, thermodynamics, oscillations and waves, these are the high weightage topics, and from PU2 you can see these chapters which are very, very important. Next, coming to PU2 physics, we have ray optics, wave optics and semiconductors. Then maths, you can see these are the red highlighted chapters are your do or die chapters. So please take a screenshot of these and focus on these chapters. Okay. Next we have integral, matrices, determinants, probability. These are the high weightage chapters. Now you can see what is your study time. So now your KCET exam is over, board exams are over, so you can fully focus on your COMEDK. So 8 to 10 you have maths, 11 to 1 you have chemistry, 3 to 5 you have physics, then 6:30 to 8 you can do question practice, and 9:30 to 11:30 again you can do question practice. So basically you can prepare the previous year questions. Next, resources, if I see, NCERT is the major resource, so please do follow that. Then you have MTG book, you can do previous year questions from these two books. These are very, very good. Chapter wise and year wise PYQs are there. Next, how are we going to help you? So we are having our free YouTube series on COMEDK Launchpad, and these classes will be live. Okay, so live classes will be there every day at 4:30 PM. So you can come and see in that what you will be getting. Okay, so this is just 4:30. Okay, so every chapter wise we will be giving you most expected questions, and previous year questions will be done in these live sessions. Now if you are really serious about your preparation and you want to get a proper channelized preparation, then do not worry, we have our online crash course, a 21-day online crash course already started from 18th of April. Many students have joined, so yes, a very good session. So if you are really interested, then do join this. Registration link will be there in the description section. Here the entire PU1 and PU2 syllabus will be covered, 12 mock tests will be there, detailed video solutions and live doubt solving classes will be there. So we are, and last 5 years of previous year questions will also be solved. So entire holistical preparation will be done. So if you are an aspirant of COMEDK, then please do take this test series and it will really be beneficial for you. Okay, so that's all students. So I hope these 21 days are okay. The price is just 1,999, very affordable and minimal price. Okay, and yes, so That's all in this video, students, and I hope this video was helpful and you will be able to get a very good mark through this crash course. So please do have a thought about it, and our YouTube free series will also be starting from Monday at 4:30 p.m. See you all live. Okay, so thank you, students, all the very best.